Alright guys, today I'm back on the unboxing, which is my favorite one that I've wanted out of the other ones that I unboxed, like School Rumble Extra Class, Space Pirate Mito or something, and UFO Ultra Maiden Valkyrie. This is the one that I've been wanting, and I will also get Panty and Stocking Blu-ray edition sometime either this month or next month, just like I'm going to get even if there is a limited edition of Heaven's Lost Property Forte. I want to see Heaven's Lost Property do well. Like, I know there's already a season 3. I want there to be more, so maybe we might get another one of Panty and Stocking. I don't know, but anyway, yeah, Panty and Stocking or Panty. I don't know which one there is. I think this one's Panty and yeah, this one's Panty. This one's Stocking. Yeah, I remember now. I believe. But anyway, front, top, which has Panty and Stocking with Garterbelt, bottom, spine, DVD edition, oh yeah, and drop those britches, bitches, yeah. Oh, and this is also from Renown Studio, that name Gainax or something, and the team behind Fooly Cooly or FLCL. There you go. There's episodes, 1 to 13, extras, OVA episodes. And someone just tweeted me, fuck you. Alright. Let's open this bad boy up. Or not. Come on, buddy. There we go. Oh, and I think, yeah, the Blu-ray does have a limited edition as well. Alright. Ooh. Oh god, don't tear off so suddenly. I don't want you to die from me. Oh. Oh, okay. Nice. Ah, god dang it. Nice, I shouldn't have said that. Fuck. Oh well. It's fine as long as I don't tear nothing else off. Okay, hold on a second. I don't know why, I just want to save the back for this. Oh shit, keep that in there. There we go. And there we go. There we go. There we go. Put that to the side. Alright, now here's the back. I have no idea who these people are. They're sisters, I'm guessing. Oh. And is that Ben? Standing up sideways. I think it is bent. It's bent sideways. So well. Doesn't really matter. Anyway. There's the top of it. Doesn't really matter. The box is still in good even if it's bent sideways. There's the sisters. And coming out, okay. Alrighty, let's put that back in there. Pull up disc 1, which has Panty on the front, spine, then you have Stocking on the back. Disc 1 has episodes 1 to 7. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's disc 1. Alright, let me pull up this cover. Alright, first slip on the back, which has that little, that kind of reminds me of Gurr somehow. Alright, now let's bring out disc 1 and 2. You have stocking on the front of disc 2. Disc 2 has episodes 8 to 13. Then, oh, the extra discs which is disc 3, has the LVA and trailers and all your other stuff. Right there, disc 2 has episodes 8 to 13. Stocking on the front of disc 2. And that is so clear, you can see that right there's the sisters. And let's bring it out. There we go. I don't even believe I even showed you the cover. Right there's the front spine and back with the sisters on it. But there is that guy, Chuckle, I guess. But anyway, guys, like I would say, please like, comment, subscribe. There's that. There's that. And one more look of Panty and stocking. And there is disc 1. There's disc 2 and disc 3. And the art box you get with it. Hopefully yours is not sideways like mine is. Like I would say, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. See my next video. Peace.